In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Printify pop-up store so you can launch a simple branded storefront and get a custom link to share with customers. To get started, log into your Printify account and open your store list from the dashboard. This is where you can manage existing sales channels or create a new storefront. Click Add New Store, then choose the pop-up store option. A pop-up store gives you a ready-made landing page, making it a quick way to start sharing your products without setting up a separate website. Next, enter a short, clean, and memorable store name that fits your brand. This name helps customers recognize your store, so keep it easy to read and consistent with your business. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Ecom Control. Now choose an initial store theme that matches your brand style. You can use this to give the landing page a look that feels more aligned with the products and audience you're targeting. Once you're happy with the name and theme, click Launch Pop-up Store. Printify will make your landing page live and provide your custom URL, which you can use to direct customers to your new store. And that's it. You've successfully created a Printify pop-up store.